Bonsoir mes amis, buonasera miei amici, guten Abend meine liebe Freundin, și bună seara tovarăși prieten. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we have a new addition to our inventory, something that is always dear to my heart, an 03 XKR with the beautiful Detroit BBS wheels. Check this out. Let me turn the camera around here. Check out these beautiful 5-spoke Detroit 20-inch BBS wheels. This is, in my opinion, nicer than any wheels you can get. Aside from Perseus. Beautiful quartz exterior with a Dove leather interior. Only 41,000 miles. This is what they call Dove. It's basically a light gray interior. Dark walnut wood trim, backed by popular demand. Leather and wood steering wheel. That's my favorite right there. Don't pay attention to the missing convertible boot cover. I have one ordered. It's coming in. I really like this exterior. Quartz with Dove interior. Beautiful. 41,000 miles. Not a scratch on it. Look at that. Not a scratch on it. It's got the pre-facelift mesh grille broken up into 3 pieces. As I mentioned earlier, the facelift Jaguars have one single mesh grille over the entire front. It's a very beautiful interior. Really like it a lot. Certainly easier to work on, easier to maintain than the ivory bone white interior. That shows everything. One thing I should mention about this car that I don't see that often is adaptive cruise control. The way you know you have that is by seeing this extra button here. This can action as a forward alert. If you turn it on, it will alert you with a clang and an instrument cluster if you get too close to somebody. I tend to turn that off because it's kind of annoying to hear that clang every time you get close to someone. Notice these 2 buttons here. This is to decrease the distance to the car in front of you, and this one is to increase the distance to the car in front of you. So once you set a certain distance, the car slows down or accelerates to maintain that distance up to your speed that you set. Notice it's got forward alert off. If I push this button here, it says forward alert on, and then it turns on that red button. I'm gonna turn that off because I don't like to hear all that clanging. Also, notice you can switch from centigrade to Fahrenheit with the touch of a button. It also shows you the exterior temperature. 65 exterior, set to 79 inside. Or Celsius, 26 inside and 18 outside. For those of you in Europe, 18 degrees, you already know this, 18 degrees Celsius is the ideal temperature. Anyway, let's go on a quick ride here just to give you an idea how beautiful this car drives. 41,534 miles. Compass in the mirror. Right now we're pointing to northeast. Look how clean this car is. Beautiful. I'm gonna close this top just so we don't hear all that road noise. This is all you need to do. Push this button down here, and then you hear the top starting to close it. And I want to show you a difference between 03 body style and 05, 06. I'm not sure if 04 does that. Notice as I hold this button down, it rolled the back windows and it stops the quarter windows and it stopped there. The newer ones, 05 and 06, and I'm not sure if 04 does that. If you keep the button down, it will roll up the front windows too. So this is one thing that the older Jags don't do. So you'll have to push the switches here to close the windows. All right, so now we're going on a quick trip here. It says lights are off. So it has automatic lights, and it's warning me that I turned off my lights. So let me switch that to all the way to on, and it looks like it turned on the lights because it is kind of dark out there. I mean, it's dusk. Almost 400 horsepower engine. Transmission is so smooth on these cars, you don't even feel the gear changes. Very quiet inside. A lot of my clients are shocked to see how quiet this car is as you drive on the highway. For a convertible, it's very quiet. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this. I think I did in my other previous YouTube videos. You can easily get 27, even 28 miles per gallon with these cars. They're very economical for a 4.2 liter V8. Listen, that supercharger kicking in. Beautiful. So smooth. This cat purrs. Big hello to my clients in the Delaware Valley Jaguar Club. Thank you for sending me that Cats Per Jaguar magazine. I enjoy every number I get, every revision. Listen to how beautiful this car is. Let's hope the road opens up a little bit here. So we can kick off that supercharger here. Woo! Get up to 65 miles per hour in an instant. Nothing like a Jaguar XKR. The price of these cars is going through the roof right now. They're collectible cars. People know how comfy they are and how classy they are. Look at this. tall. This guy is a little noisy. Supercharged V8 4.2 liters. This is rush hour in Apex, North Carolina, believe it or not. On a Friday. Not that much of a rush hour, if you ask me. We're lucky. Nothing like Atlanta. Watching our video, I hope you enjoyed every minute of it as much as I did. Keep watching our channel. We have more interesting cars coming your way. We have a 12 Gran Turismo Sport convertible and unforgettable Rosso Trionfale. And we also have a couple of Aston Martin DB9s coming through. So keep watching our channel and visit our website at valeurosport.com. I'm sure sooner or later you'll find something you like. Thank you, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.